In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot TradingView loading or connection issues. If TradingView is not opening properly, keeps getting stuck, or behaves strangely in your browser or app, don't worry. In many cases, the problem is caused by stored browser data, extension conflicts, network settings, or connection issues. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple set of fixes you can try one by one. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files and site data to help pages load faster, but sometimes that saved data becomes outdated or corrupted. When that happens, websites like TradingView may fail to load correctly or may keep showing errors. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or browsing data section, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. If you're using the mobile app instead of a browser, try offloading or reinstalling the app. This can remove temporary issues without changing the steps you normally use to access the platform. Next, disable any active browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN-related extensions. These can sometimes interfere with scripts, connections, or page elements that TradingView needs in order to function properly. After disabling them, reload the page and try again. If the site starts working, then one of those extensions is likely the cause. You can re-enable them later, one at a time, to identify which one is creating the conflict. After that, try opening TradingView in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a quick way to test whether the issue is related to your normal browser session. Private browsing usually runs with fewer saved cookies, less cache data, and often with extensions disabled by default. If TradingView works there, that's a strong sign the issue is happening inside your regular browser environment rather than on the website itself. Another useful step is to flush your local DNS cache. Your device stores DNS records to remember how to reach websites, but sometimes those records become outdated. On Windows, you can do this by opening Command Prompt and running the flush DNS command. On a Mac, restarting the terminal session or refreshing network resolution can help clear that local lookup state. This step can fix cases where your browser is trying to connect using old or incorrect network information. Finally, switch networks to rule out ISP blocking or local connection problems. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using mobile data instead. If TradingView works on another network, the issue may be related to your internet provider